Ever been on a roller coaster? Well, buckle up, because cryptocurrency investment can be just as thrilling and potentially nauseating. Picture this. You're at the top of the highest peak, heart pounding with anticipation. That's you buying your first Bitcoin. Then whoosh, down you go into a stomach-churning drop. That's the market taking a sudden nosedive. But don't worry, this isn't a horror show. It's an adrenaline-fueled adventure. Cryptocurrency, with its unpredictable swings and sudden turns, isn't for the faint-hearted. It's a wild ride for thrill-seekers, risk-takers, and those who don't mind a bit of digital vertigo. But just like any roller coaster, it's not all about the drops. There are also the thrilling climbs, the breathtaking views from the top, and the exhilarating feeling of conquering your fears. So, if you're ready for the thrill of your life, or just have a strange desire to lose all your money in a spectacular fashion, keep watching. Now, before you dive headfirst into the cryptocurrency pool, let's make sure you have the right tools. And no, I'm not talking about a snorkel and flippers. First up, we have the scuba mask of the crypto world. Research. You wouldn't dive into a pool without checking the depth, right? Similarly, you shouldn't invest in a cryptocurrency without a deep understanding of it. Research the coin's technology, its team, its use case, its market cap. Look at its past performance, but don't rely solely on it. After all, in the crypto world, past performance is not always an indicator of future success. It's like expecting to do a perfect cannonball because you once belly flopped. Next, you'll need your water wings, or in crypto terms, a diversified portfolio. Now, I'm not talking about having a different cryptocurrency for every day of the week, but diversification can help protect you from the volatile crypto waves. Just like you wouldn't fill your pool with only water from the deep end, don't put all your investment in one coin. Spread it out. Some Bitcoin, some Ether, maybe even some Dogecoin for good measure. Finally, the most important tool in your kit, the pool float of patience. Investing in cryptocurrency is not a sprint, it's a marathon, or more accurately, a long, relaxing float around the pool. Prices will go up, prices will go down, but don't let the waves panic you. Just like you wouldn't jump off your float at the first sign of a wave, don't sell your crypto at the first sign of a dip. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are crypto fortunes. So, with your toolkit ready, you're now prepared to make a splash in the cryptocurrency pool. Just remember, no running on the pool deck. Ever heard of hodling? No, it's not a new dance craze, but it might make you rich enough to start one. We're diving into the world of hodling now, folks. It's a term that has caused much confusion and has been the source of countless internet memes. But what does it actually mean? Well, in the world of cryptocurrency, hodling means holding on for dear life. Yes, you heard that right. It's not just a typo for holding, it's an investment strategy. Now, imagine you're riding a wild bull in a rodeo. It's bucking, it's frantic, it's unpredictable. That's your cryptocurrency. One moment, it's up in the clouds. The next, it's burrowing deep into the Earth's crust. What do? You hodl on. You hold on for dear life. Because you never know when that bull is going to take off and reach for the stars again. Just like in a rodeo, the goal is to stay on the bull for as long as possible. Because the longer you stay on, the higher your chances of winning. The same goes for hodling. The longer you hold on to your cryptocurrency, the higher your potential returns. But remember, just like in a rodeo, there's always a risk. You could get thrown off at any moment. And this is where the art of hodling comes into play. It's not just about holding on to your cryptocurrency. It's about knowing when to hold on and when to let go. It's about understanding the market, reading the signs, and making informed decisions. It's about having the courage to hold on when things get tough, and the wisdom to let go when the time is right. Hodling is not for the faint-hearted. It requires patience, resilience, and a good sense of humor. Because, let's face it, in the world of cryptocurrency, you're going to need a good laugh every now and then. So, if you can hoddy on tight and ride out the cryptocurrency bull, you just might find yourself in the winner's circle. Yeehaw! All good things must come to an end, including your wildly successful cryptocurrency investment. It's not all about riding the crypto coaster to the moon, folks. There's also that little thing called landing back on Earth. Because let's face it, even the moon gets boring after a while. Think of your exit strategy as the escape hatch from a date gone wrong. You wouldn't stick around for dessert if your date spent the entire meal talking about their ex, would you? Of course not. You'd have a plan to slip out the back door, and it's the same with your crypto investments. An effective exit strategy could involve selling a certain percentage of your portfolio when it hits a predetermined value or setting a stop loss to protect against sudden market drops. It's about having a plan, sticking to it, and not letting fear or greed cloud your judgment. So just like knowing when to politely excuse yourself from a disastrous dinner date, knowing when to exit your cryptocurrency investment is key to preserving your dignity and your wallet. Well, there you have it, folks. A crash course in cryptocurrency investing. Remember, they don't call it a crash course for nothing. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You've survived the roller coaster ride of cryptocurrency, and you're now armed with your very own investor's toolkit. You've mastered the art of hodling and even have an exit strategy tucked away just in case things go south. In a way, you're like a superhero, but instead of a cape and a secret lair, you've got blockchain and a digital wallet. Just like every superhero, you started off as an ordinary citizen. But with this newfound knowledge, you're ready to take on the world of cryptocurrency. Just remember, this is only the beginning. The world of crypto is vast and ever-changing, and there's always more to learn. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue your journey to becoming a cryptocurrency superhero, make sure you subscribe to our channel. And remember, with great power comes great responsibility to smash that like button.